Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jello popsicles at home. First, gather your ingredients: 1 3-ounce box of gelatin, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 cups of hot water. You'll also need popsicle molds and sticks. Selecting your favorite gelatin flavor is key to a delicious outcome. This simple recipe is perfect for a fun kitchen activity. Now, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, combine the gelatin powder and sugar. Pour in 2 cups of very hot water and stir continuously until both the gelatin and sugar are completely dissolved. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Once dissolved, carefully pour the liquid mixture into your popsicle molds, leaving a small space at the top for expansion. With your molds filled, it's time to add the sticks. Gently insert a popsicle stick into the center of each mold. Now, place the molds in the freezer. For best results, allow them to freeze for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to ensure they are completely solid. When ready to enjoy, briefly run warm water over the outside of the molds for easy removal. Here are a few extra tips to make your Jello popsicles even better. Feel free to experiment with various gelatin flavors and colors to create a vibrant assortment. For an added surprise, you can even drop in small pieces of fruit like berries or mandarin oranges before freezing. These homemade treats are a fantastic way to cool down. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.